Assalamu alaikum class, how are you? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to have our fifth lecture, Primary Mathematics Second Edition for Grade 1. Today let's use what we have learned in addition to solve word problems, okay? We will call these word problems as addition stories. We will call these word problems as addition stories, okay? These stories give us some information, okay? Then they ask us to find something. We have to understand clearly what the information given is and what we have to find out. Then we have to find the answer. Let us begin with this story. Okay, there are 6 color pencils in the basket. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, there are 6 color pencils in the basket. My friend puts 3 color pencils in the basket. Okay, how many colors are there all together? In this story, what information does give for colors are in the baskets. Okay, 3 more are put in the baskets. Now let us see what we have to find out. How many color pencils all together? So we add 6 colors plus 3 colors is equal to 9 in all. Okay, in all there are 9 colors altogether. There are 9 colors altogether in the basket, and we found the answers. Remember class, when the word in all together and totally comes in the story, then we have to add. Okay, then we have to add the number given in the information. Okay, given in the information. When the word in all together and totally comes in the story, then we have to add the numbers given in the information. Okay. Now look at different addition stories to solve them. A girl named Rinky went to the farmhouse and she fed a cow. Okay, she fed one cow. Then she fed one goat and one sheep. Okay, how many animals did she feed totally? Totally means addition. Okay, totally means we have to add the numbers given in the information. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Rinky fed animals in all. Okay, Rinky fed 3 animals. Okay, one cow, one goat, and one sheep. Okay, class, you can see a toy store. Okay, this toy store has made different toys. You can see there are different toys, but Bina wants to buy emojis because she loves emojis. Okay, 2 emojis are on the front of the shop or store, 1 and 2. Okay, there are 2 emojis on the front of the shop, and 2 emojis are on the back side, 1 and 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total number of emojis 4. Okay, 4 number of emojis. Total number of emojis are 4. She wants to buy 4 emojis. Now we are starting our lesson 2, making addition stories. Making addition stories. In focus class, you can see there are many children in this park. Okay, 3 children are playing with a skipping rope and 2 children are playing with kites. Okay, 4 children are cycling in front and 2 more children join them. Okay, can you please tell me how many children are there in this picture or in this park? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, in this picture there are 11 children. Okay, there are 11 children. Moving toward, let's learn. Question number 1. How many children are playing with skipping rope or kite? Okay, there are 3 children, okay, 3 girls playing with skipping rope. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 3 plus 1 and 2. There are 2 boys playing with kites. Okay, playing with kites. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. There are 5 children playing together. Okay, 3 girls and 2 boys equal to 5 children. There are 5 children playing together. Moving toward page number 27. Question number 2. Okay, as you know, 4 children are cycling in front and 2 more children join them. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. There are 4 and there are 2. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 children cycling in all. Okay, there are 6 children cycling in all. You have to write 6. Okay. Now it's our activity time. Okay, class, you can see there are 5 green apples. There are 5 green apples and there is only 1 red apple. Okay, let's count how many apples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 apples altogether. Altogether means plus addition. Okay. 5 green apples plus 1 red apple makes 6 apples. Okay, when we join them, okay, now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 apples. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, we have 6 apples. We have 6 apples. On page number 28, practice. Question number 1, find the missing numbers. Okay, find the missing numbers. You can see here a bowl and a bag. In this bowl, how many goldfish are there? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 6 goldfish in the bowl. Okay, you have to write 6. And you can see a bag. How many goldfish are in the bowl? Bag. 1 and 2. There are 2 fishes in the bag. You have to write 2. There are 2 goldfish in the bag. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 goldfish altogether. Okay, you have to write 8. There are 8 goldfish altogether. Altogether means addition. Okay. Moving toward question number 2. You can see on a branch there are 2 birds. Okay, red and yellow. In red and yellow. Okay, there are 2 birds on the branch. You have to write 2. And 3 more birds join them on the branch. 1, 2, and 3. In purple, blue, and pink. Okay. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. You have to write 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay. Let's count how many birds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 birds all together. Okay. There are 5 birds on the branch now. Okay. You have to write 5. Class, you have to write 5. There are 5 birds on the branch now. I hope you enjoy this lesson, class. Allah Hafiz.